Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you sweet potato casserole, another delicious holiday side dish. I have sweet potatoes, pecans, vanilla, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, melted butter, and 3 eggs. I'll begin to peel my potatoes. You can use a peeler or a knife to peel. And then once everything is peeled, I will cut my potatoes each in half, and then I will cut them into 1-inch chunks, just like so. I'll now transfer everything into a pot, and then I'll cover the pot with enough water to boil my sweet potatoes, and that should take about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be boiling my potatoes covered. You can also boil it uncovered. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna whisk together 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. I'll whisk everything together, and then I'll set that on the side. In another separate bowl, I'll combine together my flour and butter, and then I'll use my pastry blender to dice my butter into pea size. You can also use your hands to do this. I just didn't want to get my hands dirty. I'll add in my brown sugar, and then I'll mix everything with my silicone spoon, and then I'll stir in my pecans. You can also replace the pecans with walnuts if you like walnuts. Either one works, and then I'll mix everything together. Then I'll set that on the side. It's been about 10-15 minutes and my sweet potatoes is cooked now. So I checked it with my fork and it looks good. And I always want to double check with my fingers, and it is perfectly cooked. I'll remove from heat and then strain the water. At this point, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. I'll use my hand mixer to mash my potatoes. You can also use potato masher if that is what you have. I'll then add in my egg, sugar, butter, and vanilla mixture, and then I will just whisk and mix everything together, guys. This is so delicious. I love the creaminess of this sweet potato. I'll use a spoon to clean around the pot, and then I'll transfer everything into my 9x13 casserole dish. You can use any casserole dish you have, guys, and then we'll just spread everything out beautifully. Sweet potato casserole is another delicious holiday side dish. It is soft, fluffy, and so delicious, and I know you will love it. I'll now spread my brown sugar, butter, and pecan mixture, and I'm making an irresistible crunchy pecan topping. You can substitute the pecan for walnuts like I said, guys, and this will go in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and I can't wait to enjoy this. I made this last year for my family on Christmas and everyone loved it. You can even add marshmallows to the topping. You can be so creative, and yes, the marshmallow is also going to make it taste so delicious. And you can allow this to cool down before serving it, guys, but I'm digging in right now. It smells so good and it tastes so good. You can also adjust the sugar to your taste, guys. You can even omit the sugar in the sweet potato, but you need to add sugar to the topping to get that delicious, sweet, crunchy topping, guys. You cannot leave the sugar out. This is delicious, and if you make this and take this to any holiday party, they are gonna love you. Thank you so much for staying until this time. To my new subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. And to my returning subscribers, you rock. Thank you for your support. I love you. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. Hit that post notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. Please stay safe. Bye, guys.